Bethany James, Year 7, Ysgol Brodyn Efydd. I am a Bronze Plus Young Ambassador and I am the voice of PE and sport in my school.
Siôn Tipleri, blwyddyn 12, Ysgol Ystrada. Dwi'n Llysgenhad Arian sy'n dwlu ar chwaraeon a hybu addysg gorfforol ar draws Sir Gaerfyrddin a Chymru. Dwi'n mwynhau hybu pobl i fod yn ffit ac yn iach.
Bronze Plus Ambassadors help the Silver and Gold Ambassadors organise and manage the sports sessions.
The Silver Ambassadors work with teachers and sports officers to deliver the Young Ambassadors' outcomes of increasing participation and healthy lifestyles.
Mae'r Llysgenhadon Arian yn hyfforddi ac yn cefnogi Llysgenhadon Efydd yn eu hysgolion ac yn arddangos ei gwaith i annog eraill i gymryd ran.
Iestyn Evans, blwyddyn 8, Ysgol Ystrada. Rwy wedi datblygu hunan hyder a sgiliau trwy trefnu gweithgareddau chwaraeon hwylus a diddorol.
Bronze Plus Young Ambassadors are pupils in Year 7 who continue with promoting sport to those in the same age group.
Gall unrhyw un ddod yn Efydd Plus, nid oes rhaid i chi fod wedi bod yn Efydd ym mlwyddyn 6.
The Silver Young Ambassadors are aged 14 and older, and there are at least 2 per secondary school.
Silver Ambassadors are champions of PE and school sport who work closely with teachers to organise and lead extracurricular sporting opportunities in secondary schools.
Mia Owen, Year 11, Ysgol Brodyn Efydd. I'm a Silver Young Ambassador who's developed enough confidence to deliver training to young ambassadors so that we can get more and more people taking part.
Fion Jones, blwyddyn 12, Ysgol Ystrada. Mae gen fy gallu i ddylanwadu ac ysbrydoli eraill i fyw bywyd iach ac actif. Dwi'n gwneud gwahaniaeth yn fy ysgol, fy nghymuned, yn fy sir ac ar draws Cymru.
Jessica Thomas, blwyddyn 12, Ysgol Carmarthenshire. Many young ambassadors have achieved the Millennium Sports Award for volunteering 50 hours in the school and community.
I help out with the sport at lunchtime in my school.
In our school, the Silver Ambassadors organise clubs during dinner time and after school for every age. Trwy y Cyngor Chwaraeon, rydyn ni'n anfon ein Llysgenhadon ifanc ar gyrsiau hyfforddi i helpu amreinio ei sgiliau arweinio.
In my school, I coached the girls' football team from years 7 to 10. This year, they were very successful and got to represent Swansea up in Stamford Bridge. I love being a Silver Young Ambassador.